So let's talk about Boolean operators for a minute. Boolean operators are very important in programming. None of your selections or loops could be done without Boolean operators. And without selections or loops, a program really is not a program. We have two types of conditional operators in Python. The one type is the comparison operators. For example, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. These operators compare two operands, and the two operands can be either numeric or they can be strings. So they compare these two types of operands and they return a result of true or false. For example, we might say if we have a variable called price, and price has a value in it, for example, $9.95, we might write a comparison expression that says, if price is greater than 5. Okay, so the result of that can either be true or false. Either the price is greater than 5 or it's not. You can't say, well, it's kind of greater than 5, not really. It's either or. That's a comparison operator. Those are simple comparison operators. Then there is another comparison operator called equal to. Equal to compares for equality. Are the two values equal? So for example, if price has a value of 5, and we say if price equal to 5, then that is going to return a value of true. However, if price has a value, for example, 7, and we say price equal to 5, then the value that it will be evaluated to is false. There is another comparison operator, which is the exclamation mark followed by the equal to, no space in between, and that's the not equal to. So if price is equal to 5, and we say price not equal to 5, that is going to return a false. That is going to return a false, and it'll return a true if the price is not equal to 5, which is if the price is 6 or if the price is 7. The logical operators are different. They're the and, the or, and the not. They work only on Boolean operands. The only reason we use logical operators is to compare two comparison expressions. So for example, we might say if price greater than equal to 5 and price less than equal to 10. So now we are checking a range. Is the price greater than equal to 5? And also, is the price less than or equal to 10? Another logical operator is the or. The or operator, we might say, if the price is equal to 5 or if the price is equal to 7. There's a difference between the two. The and operator requires that all parts of the condition be true for the entire condition to be true. The or operator requires that as long as any one part of the condition is true, the whole expression becomes true. So for example, when we say if price is greater than equal to 5 and price is less than equal to 7, let us say the price is 101. Greater than equal to 5. 101 is greater than equal to 5. That's true. But is it less than or equal to 7? No, it's not. So one part of the condition is false. Thus, the whole condition becomes false. Whereas if we used an or operator in the same situation, we said if the price is greater than equal to 5 or the price is less than equal to 7, that condition would come out true because 101 is greater than equal to 5. It may not be less than equal to 7, but one part of the condition is true. Thus, you must be really careful which operators you use, and you'll see the use of these operators as we go through selections, loops, and the rest of the course. Enjoy.